In this video, we will identify the structures in the transverse section at the level of T8 and T10. This specimen is transverse section at the level of T8. You can see this one is anterior aspect. You can see sternum over here. This one is posterior aspect. You can see vertebra and spinal cord in the vertebral canal. This one is ascending aorta. This opening is descending aorta. Behind the ascending aorta, this one is pulmonary trunk dividing into the pulmonary arteries. This opening is the basal part of the left pulmonary artery. Here is superior vena cava. This one is azygous vein, and these are the pulmonary veins. This one is bronchus into the left lower lobe, and this one is bronchus into the right lower lobe. This structure is esophagus. This one is azygous vein. These are tracheobronchial lymph nodes. In the CT scan, these vessels will impart a white shadow, and the bronchi will give black shadow. If the lymph nodes in this region gets enlarged, the white shadow caused by the pulmonary vessels gets increased, thus increasing the solid content in the root of the lung. This specimen is transverse section through the upper part of T10. Here is the sternum in the anterior aspect, the vertebra in the posterior aspect, spinal cord inside the vertebral canal. The important structures at these levels seen in the transverse section are: this one is the left atrium. These are 4 pulmonary veins opening into it, and this depression is fossa ovalis. This one is right atrium. This one is right ventricle, and this one is left ventricle. Opening inside the right atrium is the inferior vena cava. This one is aorta. Here is descending thoracic aorta. This one is the right coronary artery, and here is the left coronary artery. These openings just behind the costal cartilage are of internal thoracic vessels. Here is the esophagus. This opening by the side of esophagus is of azygous vein. These are lungs. These are costal cartilages, and all these are the ribs. You may see a portion of liver and diaphragm in this region if the section is passing exactly through the body of T10.